Okay, so kung may naisip kayo mas better name, guys, open naman ako sa suggestions. Pero right now, CAB muna kasi Content Accountability Bodies, diba? Sobrang pinag-isipan. Pero yeah. So here, nakikita na ba lahat? Yung ano, kita naman?
Yes
Okay,
po.
good. So this Content Accountability Bodies, tatawagan natin isa't isa ng mga body. We are bodies here, we are all classmates here, and tayo magtutulungan para umangat, no? Dumami yung followers, ang views, whatever that is, the goal nyo on doing this challenge. So overview, a structured 100-day accountability program designed to help creators build consistency in daily short-form content creation while developing discipline, brand presence, and content creation skills. So, sino na ngayon dito yung mga content creators na? Show of hands lang. Taas mo kamay. Wala pa? As in, never pa kayo nakapag-post anything on social media? Oh, guys, the mere fact na nag-post kayo, anything on social media, whether that be a static post or not, that's already a content. You're already a content creator, no? So, i-claim nyo na content creators kayo ngayon. And now, you're going to become influencer. Okay? So, you're going to build this platform for you, no? Para magamit nyo talaga, ma-maximize nyo yung free tools na meron tayo ngayon, no? Uh, for content creation. So, ngayon, i-claim nyo na I'm a content creator. Yes. Can you type in I'm a content creator? I want you to claim it, manifest it, you know, tell yourself you're a content creator. Yan. Nice, nice.
Ay,
Okay. So the challenge timeline is, salamat sa mga nag-comment, nag-chat, no? Start date will be on Monday, August 4, 2025. The duration will be probably 100 days, no? Yung accountability group na to. And who knows, di natin alam, no? After 100 days, may nag-viral na sa atin dito, no? May sumikat na. May na-interview na ng KMJS, no? Nilipad na ng team ni Jessica Soho, no? Para ma-interview, no? So, daily commitment natin is minimum one short form video per day. So, may nagtatanong kanina, pwede po ba na hindi makita yung mukha ko? Okay lang. It doesn't matter. Pwede po ba yung AI version ko? Gagawin kong AI yung sarili ko, tapos yun yung ipopost ko everyday. Okay lang din. Again, sabi ko nga, kahit anong content, as long as it's in video format, no? And alam niyo yung purpose kung bakit niya siya pinopost. No? Kung gusto niyo raw lang, go lang. Basta the goal is to be consistent. Okay? So kung ayaw niyo magpakita ng mukha, gusto niyo kamay niyo lang pinapakita niyo, yung work niyo lang as a freelancer, or whatever that is, or nagvo-voice over lang kayo, or nag-AI kayo, it's okay. No? As long as you can actually do it and be consistent in doing that, that's totally fine. Okay? Posting schedule will be Monday to Friday mandatory to. Pero weekends will be optional, pero encourage pa rin. Not to break the consistency. Kasi yung 100 days natin, it will count the weekends, no? Pero of course, no, yun nga, kung gusto nyo talaga ma-build yung habit ng consistency, mas maganda, may weekends pa rin. No? It's encouraged. Pero, yan, the goal is Monday to Friday. Okay, the group structure, ito yung gusto kong isabi kasi nga dami-dami natin here, no? Um, Meron tayong triad system to actually maximize then yung accountability. Mas strengthen natin yung accountability. Kasi I cannot, be accountable isa-isahin ko kayo. Ang dami natin, no? Kasi nung umpisa akala ko 20 lang eh, pero more than almost 70 plus yung actually ano, nag-apply for this. So, group structure, may triad system tayo. Participants will be organized into groups of three. Tatlo. Bakit tatlo? Because I love you. Joke. De, pero kaya gusto ko tatlo para hindi pag yung isa tinamad, may sumbungan yung isa. No? Pero para pwede nila pag-usapan yung isa. Joke lang. De, para mas maganda yung bonding. Kaya mas maganda yung tatlo. Okay? So each triad member is responsible for monitoring their body's consistency. So kayo yung magmo-monitor with each other's consistency. So triads provide mutual support, accountability, and of course, encouragement. Pwede rin touch token kung gusto nyo. Up to you guys, no? Pero ang goal, maging accountable kayo with each other to be consistent. So the monitoring and tracking, how are we going to do that? No? Meron tayong digital tracker. No, I'll be sharing that to you on Monday, no? Yung tracker. So, volunteer moderators, baka naman merong gustong tumulong sa akin kasi as of now ako lang mag-isa. Gumagawa nito lahat, no? So, baka merong mga gusto mag-volunteer to help me out in, refining lang yung tracker na meron tayo. Kate, yes, volunteer ka. Sige, reach out mo ako, ha? Tapos usap tayo para ma-optimize lang natin yung tracker natin. And then, of course, weekly progress reviews and check-ins. So, meron tayong weekly, at least 1 hour na weekly reviews and check-in. So, alam mo, may bago akong idea or meron kayong nakikitang idea or si Coach Shods may gustong i-share na ito, pwede nitong gawin para mas mapabilis yung content creation nyo. Doon natin gagawin. Okay? So, para mas ma-improve yung content creation process natin. And then, of course, para na rin makita natin na, ayan, buhay pa tayo and lumalaban. No? Kaya mayroon tayong weekly progress reviews and check-ins. And of course, measurable growth, metrics tracking. So, kayo nyo na to. Kayo na yung magta-track nito. No? You will be personally tracking your own analytics. Basically, you treat yourself as your own client. No? Kung kaya natin mag-report sa mga clients ng analytics, no? Dapat tayo marunong din tayo mag-check for our own. No? Kamusta ba yung analytics ng videos ko? Kamusta ba yung views, no? Ituturo ko din, no, in one of our check-in calls is how are we going to tweak, no, our videos? How are we going to see yung mga things to improve, no, in our videos, no? So baka pwede tayo magkaroon ng mga live sampling or mga actual audit, no, sa mga check-in natin ng videos niya. Para na yung mga actual na pwedeng i-improve. Ayan, challenge rules and standards. Here are the mechanics, no, and rules natin. So again, daily requirements for the content, 1 short form video minimum per day. Now, format, it's video format required, no, face reveal is optional. Basta video format. Kayo kung gusto niyo mag-podcast araw-araw, okay lang. Gusto niyo mag-live streaming, okay lang. Basta it's in the form of video. That's totally fine. No? Kung gusto nyo, 1 oras kayo mag-video araw-araw, doesn't matter, no? Pero of course, ang goal kasi natin ngayon, short form muna para mas manageable, no? And mas doable. Okay? Quality, of course, we talk about consistency over perfection. We really don't measure or check on the quality. Wala naman tayong ganun. Na pag pangit yung video mo, tanggal ka na dito. Walang ganun. No? Ang ano lang natin dito, consistency lang. That's our usapan. Okay? So what we don't judge your videos, whatever you think you're going to do, again, up to you. Pero of course, if you want to improve your videos, pwede tayo magkaroon ng mga live audits. Ayan. Engagement, ito, requirement lang din. Of course, dahil accountability group to, no? Required tayo mag-cheerlead ng fellow natin na buddies. Na pag nag-post na si CJ, no? Cheerlead naman natin yung post niya, no? Para din magkaroon din ng, of course, engagements and traction. Support group din to. Ayan. So minimum of 5, no? Minimum of 5 comments per day, no? Kung kanino ibibigay yung 5 comments na yun, up to you guys. Weekly standards, no? Minimum 3 videos posted per week. Ito, ano to? Yung pinaka-minimum ito. Minimum to. Pag ano lang to, alam mo, for example, uh, na sobrang na busy kayo, minimum siya. Pero hindi yan yung target natin. Ang target goal natin is 5 videos per week kasi nga, everyday. Okay? So, kumbaga, yung 3 videos na yan pasang awa, pero warning na yan. Warning na yan. Kasi mayroon tayong eviction night, no? May eviction night tayo, guys. So, make-up policy. So, missed days can be compensated within the same week to meet minimum target videos. Okay? So, you can make up for the videos, for the days that you haven't posted a video. Ito na, elimination policy, no? So mati-trigger 'to, mae-evict kayo guys. Wala tayong nomination dito katulad ng bahay sa bahay ni kuya, no, pero automatically mano-nominate kayo based on the tracker that we have, no? So yun yung ating basihan sa eviction night, no? So meron tayong designated eviction nights, no, or elimination nights. So ipo-post ko din siya sa calendar. Gagawa ko ng calendar natin kung kailan yung mga elimination nights or eviction nights natin. So 5 total days without content posted. 5 total days. For example, ang elimination nights natin within 14 days. So within 14 days na wala kang total 5 days na na-post, you are going to say paalam na muna, no, sa bahay ni kuya. So eviction yun. Okay, review period is every 2 weeks. Triad responsibility, eto, kaya may triad tayo, no? Hindi yung triad ano lang, triadan lang tayo. Pero if one member consistently fails sa triad ninyo, the triad must, no, appeal and request member removal before elimination date or face elimination as an entire triad. Wow! Plot twist to guys, no? So, kung meron kayong kasama na alam nyo nang namumuro na, no, na natatanggal to kasi hindi pa nagpo-post, 4 na araw na, kailangan makapag-appeal kayo kagad na, coach, kailangan ilalaglag na po namin si, ano, si ganito, sino ba to? Si Kate, ilalaglag namin kasi di siya consistent eh. So, kapag nakapag-appeal kayo at na-report niyo yon, nilaglag niyo siya lang matatanggal. Pero pag hindi niyo nagawa yon, no, you will face elimination buong triad. Okay? Showbiz, no? Showbiz. So, ayun, yung kailangan manlaglag kayo ng tao. Pero ayun nga, we don't want to come to that point, no? Kaya talagang doon masusukat how good is your accountability is to each other, no? Dapat one day pa lang di na nag-post, pukpukin nyo na yung kasama nyo, no? Huwag nyo na paabutin na ilalaglag nyo pa siya at kailangan nyo mag-appeal, no? Kaya kung gusto nyong ano, no, hanggang dulo, walang iwanan, triad pa din kayo, wala namang problema. Babay na lang talaga, no? Anyway, so appeal process is available for triads to remove non-performing members. Okay, so yan yung gagawin natin, guys, no? So hopefully you nagets ba yung part na yun? Everyone, yes? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, good. So the program benefits, of course, para saan nga ba itong gagawin natin? No? Bakit pa tayo nagpapakahirap dito? Now, of course, for personal growth, number one. So we have to build discipline and consistency habits. Ang dami ko nabasa doon sa mga reason niyo bakit niyo gusto. Meron pa doon mga super dramatic, no? Mga mala MMK yung dahilan bakit nila gusto maging consistent. Yung isa sabi niya, minumulto na ako ng sarili ko. May mga ganun pa na kailangan ko na talaga maging consistent on creating contents, no? Pero nakakatuwa kasi it really gives you, you know, it gives you the platform wherein you can be disciplined as well, no? In creating contents. So, ito yun. No? So, this is it, pansit. So, huwag niyong sayangin to. Of course, develop content creation skills and confidence. Kasi, again, consistency beats perfection, everyone. No, hindi nyo kailangan maging perfect video editor or perfect content creator para makapag-post. You just have to start, no? And then, imagine mo kung day one natin sa Monday, i-compare natin, no? Yung mga videos nyo noon day one sa ika-100 day natin na video. Yung difference niya, of course, I will definitely say mag-i-improve at mag-i-improve kayo. Kung 100 days consistently niya ba naman ginagawa, no? Ewan ko na lang kung hindi kayo mag-improve. So, of course, overcome perfectionism and procrastination. So, sakit natin yan. No? Alam ko na yan. Track measurable improvement over time. So, kaya tayo may tracker kasi anything that's not measured is not scalable. Okay, so for brand and business development naman, lalo na sa mga business owners naman dito, no? Uh, to help us build personal or business brand presence, attract potential clients and opportunities, create valuable content library, develop authentic personal voice. So again, guys, ito, yung gagawin yung videos na to, personal asset nyo na yan. And might as well, kung ako, I would suggest na talagang i-maximize natin yung meta kasi mamomonetize natin yan. Namamonetize talaga siya. So, it's another source of income din, no? So, yeah. Okay, community support, no? Community support, we have here, as a community, we're going to help each other, sabi ko nga. So, we have our supportive creator community. This is a creator community, guys. We are a creator community. Receive weekly strategy sessions. Yun nga, kapag meron tayong mga improvements, pwede tayo mag-audit, no? Access to content templates and ideas. May bibigay ako by Monday or hopefully by the weekend na free hooks, no? Na binili ko pa. No? I can share that to you. Tsaka yung mga na-compile ko din ng mga pwede natin gamiting mga hooks for your videos. Yung mga 3-second hook, no? Ayun yung mga ginagawa sa short form. So I'll give that doon, of course, sa mga makakapasok sa final final list natin. And peer engagement and cheerleading, of course, di ba? Mas may improve din yung cheerleading natin and yung pag-develop din ng relationship with our fellow buddies here inside the group. Okay, so ano yung weekly support structure natin? Again, group check-ins, accountability features, requirements for participation, essential commitments. No, ito again, guys, no. Reiteration lang din to ng commitment. May mga sumagot kasi sa inyo. Actually, natatempt ako kanina kung ipupush ko ba na yung mga sumagot lang ng 10 ang imi-meet ko at sasendan ko ng email. Pero I realize, no, let's give chance. Baka half-hearted sila nung nag-apply sila. Kaya hindi pa nila fully makommit yung sarili nila. Pero, right now, I want to be transparent. Kailangan number 10 na yung level of commitment niya. If it's not a 10, no, then you can actually tell me you're not going to proceed with the challenge. Kasi I want to be black and white on this. Gusto talaga natin yung gusto. No, hindi pwedeng kung pwede lang. Dapat gusto natin, kung gusto nyo to, gusto nyo dapat to 100%. No? Hindi nyo pwede sabihin, I'm busy kasi eh. Hello guys, busy din kami. I have my personal client. Kami ni Coach Oden, coach kami. I mean, I have my own communities as well, no? I have my business also that I'm running. I have my personal life as well. Pero again, it's not about, time management. It's about priority management. So if we want this, kailangan 100%. Okay? So yun, yung mga hindi 100% dyan, ngayon medyo nag-aalanganin pa din. You can say otherwise. You can, pwede nyo sabihin, ayaw ka na, pass na ako, okay lang. And we'll not take it against you, no? So, for some, whatever reasons you have, kung di nyo kaya talaga mag-commit, it's okay. Pero yun nga, gusto ko kasi yung magpupunta at kasama ko matapos tong 100 days na to, are those people who are hungry for results, are those people who really want this, no? Who really wants a change in their discipline, in their life, no? And to really do this. So, dun tayo. Kasi kung susuporta lang din naman ako, dun na sa buong loob. Not dun, wag na dun sa medyo alanganin pa. Kung alanganin, it's okay. Better luck next time. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. May sinasabi ka, Marivic?
Sorry?
Saying something?
Ah,
Okay lang.
sorry.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
Alright, so next is yung technical requirements natin, video editing tool. Lahat ba may CapCut? Kung may Adobe Premiere kayo, better, no? Pero CapCut is fine. May free tool naman yun, hindi nyo kailangan subscribe para magamit siya. And kung ayaw nyo ng CapCut, pwede nyo gamitin yung edits by Instagram or by Beta. Meron na rin siyang parang CapCut version. Edits, that's free, no? You just have to install it from Apple or iOS store. And phone or camera for video recording, hindi kailangan iPhone 16 or DJI Osmo Pocket, katulad na itong ginagamit ko, kaya malinaw. No? Pero, ang kailangan lang may camera. Of course, di tayo makakapag-shoot pag walang camera. Wag niyo muna problemahin, ay, ang pangit ng camera ko, ay, ang pangit ng quality. It's okay. Baka for 100 days, afford mo na bumili ng 10 iPhone 16 kasi naging consistent ka. No? So, right now, no, wala naman tayong technical requirements for whatever camera you're going to use for this. But of course, syempre, kung may recommendations tayo, doon tayo sa mga recommended. Kung available naman yung resources. Kung kayang pagandahin natin. Of course, syempre, we aim for ano pa din. We aim for the best, no? Hindi tayo gumagawa ng tawag dito. We always aim for the best, no? Yun naman ang good. And then next is clear content, purpose, and value proposition. So, ayun nga, requirement din yun. Bakit siya kasama sa requirement? Kasi mahirap naman gumawa ng video na hindi mo alam sinasabi mo or hindi mo alam yung ginagawa. So, kailangan clear yung purpose mo, bakit mo ginagawa yung video. Kasi gusto kong mag-share ng life updates. Then, yun yung clear yung purpose mo. Di ba? Gusto mo mag-share ng life updates. Kasi gusto ko makahanap ng clients. Then, clear yung purpose mo. Kasi gusto ko mag-educate. Then, good. No? Pero kung wala, gusto ko lang magpapampam, gano'n, wag na. Kailangan lagyan natin ng purpose yung ginagawa natin. Should be purpose-driven pa din. Okay? And then lastly is basic understanding of social media platforms, which I know every one of you naman is already good with that. Yes? Lahat naman may social media. No, I mean, so requirement yon na may social media tayo. Okay? Ayan. And then of course, personal readiness. No? So authentic self-expression valued over perfection. So, yeah. Kaya kaya minsan tumatagal yung paggawa ng content natin. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi we try to become someone who is not us. May nakita tayong ang galing na content creator, gusto nating gayahin. Sa kagustuhan nating gayahin siya, kaka-emulate natin katulad nila, hindi natin magawa. Tendency na po-procrastinate yung process. No? Just be yourself. No? Show paano kayo, kung malumanay kayo magkwento, then malumanay po na kayo. Improvement comes afterwards. The goal is to be consistent. No? So, mas maganda, authentic self-expression. Kung paano kayo magturo kung gusto niyo mag-share ng knowledge about your skills or your talents for your clients para makakuha kayo ng clients, make sure na alam niyo the way you actually going to talk to someone in front or face to face, ganyan niyo lang din siya sasabihin sa video. No, mas authentic yun. Okay? Willingness to receive accountability push. Ayan. Ayan, yung push na yan, masakit yan, no? Pero dapat willing kayo. Kaya kayo nandito. So kung medyo balat sibuyas kayo, guys, ayun, baka think twice. Kasi really here, magtatanong talaga tayo, "Uy, bakit wala pa yung content mo? Ano na ginagawa mo?" 'Di ba? So kailangan open tayo doon na i-remind tayo ng mga katayad natin, no? About, our contents. So, ginusto natin 'to, eh. So kailangan hindi tayo balat sibuyas. Dapat we take it positively, we take it always as something that's going to help us improve. Okay? So bawal iyakin here. Commitment to help others while helping yourself. Of course, the best way to help yourself is by helping others. I always believe in that. No? Kaya nga tayo may accountability. So if you actually help someone to be consistent, kung nagiging consistent ka din, yun lang yun. So, kaya tayo may ganitong group. Ready for structured challenge environment, which is this one. Okay? So again, selection process, no? Open opportunity for all kasi nga marami nag-apply. So for the selection process natin, yung mga umattend dito, no? Ito lang yung step 1 doon sa requirement 1, no? Pero may step 2 pa tayo, no? Which is yung commitment video creation. Sino na yung nakagawa ng commitment video? Can you thumbs up? Isa pa lang, dalawa. Yun, si Coach Shots, Julius, ayan, si Kate. So, hindi pa lahat, no? You have until 11:59 tonight to do that. Why am I doing this? Ano ba yan? Bakit ganun agad? Parang hirap naman. Yun. May friction agad, no? I mean, we are here to take action lang. Don't overthink. Ayun yung gusto kong matutunan natin. Wag kayo mag-overthink. Shoot yourself. Record nyo lang gusto sabihin. Post nyo lang. Huwag nyo na kailangan i-edit, no? Basta kailangan i-post nyo lang. No, kasi self-commitment yan. So, video requirements, 30 to 90 seconds dapat. No, minimum of 30 seconds, maximum of 90 seconds. So, platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube only. No? Deadline must be posted within the day, August 1, 2025, which is today. No, we have until 11:59 p.m. guys. And of course, must mention me, no, in the comments para at least matag nyo ako or i-mention nyo ako para makita ko kagad yung video nyo. And then, ito yung video script template. I, your name, commit to myself in this 100-day accountability group and challenge myself to consistently post daily video content for your reason and add your personal motivation and goals. Again, ano lang to, template lang. You can create your own. Basta again, 30 to 90 seconds. Mahirap ba? Mahirap ba yun? Is it hard, guys?
Easy.
Pwede more, coach.
Basic, di ba? Basic. Basic na basic.
Chicken.
Coach, pwede story. Tumawad pa.
Hindi pwedeng story. Kailangan talaga, posted. Actually, may ginawa si Alts. Ang ginawa niya, pinost niya pa rin, pero, sa akin lang niya shinare. Sa akin lang. So, pwede rin
Ako,
naman yun. Kung pa kayo handa na mag-i-launch yung sarili nyo, mag-hard launch yung sarili nyo, okay lang din. Pero mas better kasi, sa platform nyo talaga na gagamitin. Kung sa TikTok kayo magpo-post, sa TikTok kayo mag-post para masusubaybayan din ng mga tao yung journey nyo. 'Di ba? Yung 100 days nyo na journey. Ayun nga yun eh. So, yung accountability natin not only to our group, but also to the people who are going to watch us or consume our videos. No? So, sa stories, pwede mo i-post sa stories pero kailangan nakapost talaga. Kasi ang goal natin, babalikan natin after 100 days. Eh kung nasa stories yan, hindi mo na mababalikan yan. Na-expire na yan after 1 day eh. So, mas maganda naka-video pa rin. Okay. Alright. So, ayan. Submission. Post video on chosen platform. Mention program lead me. Submission video link through the provided form. May form tayo. Nandun naman sa mga emails nyo. Yung submission form. Basically, pipaste nyo lang naman yung link doon tapos submit lang. Pakadali lang. Wala pang 30 seconds. Final selection, failure to complete, no? The requirement results is automatic elimination. So, hindi pa kayo ang final here, guys, no? Survival of the fittest tayo dito, no? Survival of the committed pala, most committed, no? So, ayun yung pinaka-challenge ko right now kasi para talaga ma-make sure ko that everyone has that level of commitment. Yung kaya-kayang gawin yung video na yun, si Coach Shots nga ginawa niya, basic na basic lang. Ano. So, you know, don't overthink, just record and shoot and then post. Yun lang. Okay? So until 11:59 again. Important notes, this may be the last time this program is offered for free. I'm not sure kung gagawin pa namin to after 100 days. Pero this is something that I personally want to do, again, for selfish reasons. Success metrics, of course, individual tracking. So yung triad, kayo na yun Basically yung triad nyo, personally you manage yourself. No, part yung discipline. Yung tracking natin, kayo maglalagay ng video nyo doon. Pag na-post nyo na, ipipaste nyo din yung link. No? Um, nung sarili nyo video. Kayo din maglalagay ng pangalan nyo doon. Para alam din natin kung sino yung mga hindi talaga nag, nag, nag-tracking. Content quality improvement, engagement growth, skill development process. Ayan. So, again, the program philosophy or the philosophy behind this accountability group is consistency beats perfection. Now, this challenge prioritizes regular content creation over perfect content, recognizing that consistent practice leads to natural improvement and skill development. That the supportive community structure ensures no one faces the challenges alone while maintaining high standards for commitment and participation. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo, everyone? Yun. So,
Ready.
I'll be
Ready
sharing
na.
this
Let's
then.
go, coach.
Yun. Share ko din sa inyo to para you can also check on this one via email. Pero doon na lang sa mga course, tatapos ng video nila. Ayun. So, may hahabol pala. Hindi ko nakita. Ayan. So, if you're ready, can you type in ready? Ready na. Dami oh. Galing, 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 galing. Excited ako, na-excite ako, na-excite. Nakaka-power up. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam, no, kapag alam mong hindi ka mag-isa sa ginagawa. Yes, no? Na lalo na yung mga malalayo dito, no? Mga nasa ibang parts of the world, no? That you feel supported well enough on the things that you want to do. No? So, yeah. Hi mga kakashama. Oh, grabe oh. May pangalan na yung fans niya, no? Keshama. Yes. Pwede kayong gumawa niyan, guys, ha? Mga kapatotot, ganon. Mga katambay. Coach
Nah.
Shots, ano yung pangalan ng followers mo? Ang tawag mo sa mga subscribers ng Coach Shots?
Ay, mga kasyomay.
Ay. Ayun, sabi ni Shai. Yan. Share mo rin sa amin yung mga strategies mo, Shai, no? Sa mga check-in calls natin. Show my love. Yun. Okay, sige. So, yun lang, guys, no? I don't want to take this so much long din. No? Again, sabi ko nga, 1 hour check-ins lang tayo. No? Let's maximize our time and let's use our time as very efficiently. So, yun, na-present ko lang sa inyo yan para at least you have the idea of what we're going to do for the next 100 days starting on Monday. Ito, pro tip na agad. Para hindi ka mahirapan, I usually do this, no? Uh, Mag-bulk record na kayo. Ako nagbo-bulk recording ako talaga. So, talagang para pag I don't feel, kasi hindi naman araw-araw talaga kayang mag-record eh. Alam mo yun? Ano tayo, human as we are, dynamic beings. Minsan talagang pagod ka, minsan super busy ka, or you cannot really, you know, cannot be productive so much, no? So, I do bulk recording. Maramihang record, no? Uupo ako dito, shoot ako, palit lang ako ng mga damit, no? Tapos, at least nakaka-record na ako, no? Kung for 5 days yon, 5 days, I'll make sure na meron akong 5 days worth of, of content. Ganun ang ginagawa ko. So, you can do that as well. Batch create. Yes, batch create. Coach, sino pipili ng triad kami na ba? Hindi. I'll assign. No? So, by Monday morning, you'll be knowing your triad groups then. Do we have official hashtag for research leading? Oh, pwede hashtag CAB, hashtag 100 day challenge. Yon. Pwede yan, pwede yan. Kit ha, usap tayo. Tapos kung sino pa gusto, another volunteer who would want to help us out then dun sa, sa tracker natin. For monitoring lang. Okay, sige. Thank you, Kate. Ayan, Kesh. Message ka rin sa akin. Kaya ng copy ng rules ng CAB. Yes, I'll be sending that by email, pati itong recording ng natin. May GC ba to, Coach? Good question, no? Doon sa mga makakapasa, yung mga makakwalify, no? Kasi syempre hanggang 11:59 pa, I'll give mercy until 11:59. No? Yun lang yung isasama natin sa GC. Yep. Actually, baka Discord. Kasi mag-share tayo ng mga templates para nandun na rin lahat ng files sa Discord. So, make sure na may Discord kayo. Para pwede rin tayo mag-check-in calls doon. Pwede rin kayo magkwentuhan doon ng mga triad na sa Discord natin. Yun. Cash nyo.
Coach,
So,
Coach, may tanong po ako.
yes,
If
Kate.
ever po ba, for example, yung katriad ko is I invited them to a collab post. For example, we will do like a short video or podcast type na tatlo kaming nandoon. Is it considered po ba as a video kung ipopost namin siya or, nakatag po yung isa't isa?
Kailangan nyo siya i-post individually.
Okay po,
Pwede
noted
naman,
po.
kahit same videos kayo, pero kailangan individually posted.
Okay.
If you need po ng help, I'm willing to help po. Sige, Marivic, yes, reach out ka lang sa akin para gawa tayo ng, ng GC nila, Kate. Any questions pa? Si Julius ba kanina, bro, may tanong ka, parang nag-open mic ka. Julius ba yan?
Yes, coach, nag-message ako dun sa chat, sabi ko kung pwede makahingi ng recording Tapos yung
Ah,
rules
okay.
ulit ng CAB. Yun lang. Sabi mo, you'll send it. Thank you.
Alright, sige. Sino pa? Sino pa may tanong? Any questions, clarifications?
Coach, ano daw yung username nyo sa TikTok
Oh
para
my gosh,
matag daw?
sige, TikTok. Name ko pa rin, at Sean Sebastian P. Ayan, type ko. Pare-pareho naman lahat naman across all platforms. Hindi, actually, tatlo kasi TikTok. Depende ka sa branding. Ito yung personal ko. Personal ko lang yan. For mga any UGC collabs and affiliate.
Thank you,
Mag-affiliate
Coach.
din ako. Guys, ako, mag-affiliate din ako. So, mag-ano ako, magla-live. Ay, hindi naman live selling, pero mag-affiliate marketing din ako sa TikTok. So, di ba? Sayang din eh. Ang dami kong binibili sa TikTok shop. So, pagkakitaan din natin sa TikTok. Diba? Coach, pag pinakilala kayo, anong pwedeng sabihin? Gusto ko lang sana lagyan ng something. Ano yun? Pakilala saan? What do you mean, Cash? Cashy. Bakit mo ko ipapakilala?
Moniker.
Bakit
May
magulang
moniker.
daw? Gusto ko. I was invited. Ah, okay. Ayun lang, coach na lang. Okay na yun. Mag-moniker. Bala kayo. Gusto nyo mag-moniker. Actually, gagawin natin yan after ng 100 days. No, parang ganun. So, may mga moniker tayo. Parang sino to? Si Ellen Velasco from Quezon City. Ang bubbly girl, ganyan-ganyan. Parang PBB. Yun, no? Pero doon sa pag mga graduate na. Pero pwede nyo nang gawin yun, guys, kasi you can do that already in your videos. O magpag-introduce yung sarili nyo na, "Hi guys, I'm Shy Fabon. Shy ako, pero palaban." O, yung mga ganon. Di ba?
Shy pero fabon.
Uh, fabulous, di ba? Coach Rods, maraming alam si Coach Rods sa mga ganyan eh. So, yan, yung mga ganun, maganda rin kasi magiging branding niyo din siya. Again, the goal here is to really build our personal brand. Okay, any more questions? Additional time check is 9:04. Last 1 minute. Wala na? All goods? Okay, gods. Happy weekends, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Congratulations, no? You stayed until the end, and I'm excited to do this with you, no? Starting by Monday. Okay, so again, keep your spirits up, no? So keep yourself excited to do this kasi yun yung magpupush sa atin to be consistent. See you again next check-in call. Tapos sa mga papasa, no? So gagawa ko ng GC or ng Discord para dun sa mga makakapagpasa ng video nila. Kung mga hindi pa, make sure to finish it before 11:59 p.m.